Somebody had emailed wanting information on how I made the switches for the 8040 dipole. So here it is. Switches are far superior to traps. The switch is open or closed, the trap isn't. So here's a common 60-cent light switch from Homeless Depot. Hole drill through the lever and a return spring. It pulls the lever to either off or on, whichever you want. I default it to off. In this picture it's on, but I set it to default to off for 40 because I use 40 mostly. So the spring holds the lever until a piece of nylon cord that's tied into that piece of copper wire that's wrapped around the switch lever until it pulls it the other way for 80. A couple pieces of number 14 wire fastened to the terminals. That all goes in a juice container. Plastic lid goes on the end, wires poke out the ends. The wires go to the pieces of antenna wire that are separated by an egg or a hot dog ceramic insulator, whatever you want to use. I use the longer hot dog insulators. So to throw the switch, there's one of these switches in each of the arms. The cords run along the antenna through loops of copper wire that kind of hold it in place down to the feed point and then down to the ground. So the switch bands, I just pull down on the cords and I can feel and hear them. I can feel and hear the switch and the spring flip over to the other side. A little tricky, but it works. And then hang small weights on the cords to hold it there. So in this example, the switch would be open, normally open for 40 meters. If I want to use 80, I'd pull the cords, hang weights on for 80. So far better than traps. Traps might be parallel or series resonant from one band, but in the other band, they're a residual reactance, and that screws up the antenna matching. So have fun building. Dip, dip.